The gold USD price showed strong bullish pressure during the post-FOMC time, but investors should wait for an additional clue before anticipating a trend change. In the coming days, US investors will enjoy a 3-day weekend before the Fed minutes on Wednesday, which could influence bulls to extend the momentum. In the daily gold USD price, the 14-day Relative Strength Index, RSI, moved below the 35.00 level, indicating a strong seller's presence in the market. In the weekly chart, the price reached the 1809.22 key support level from where an intraday buying pressure came. However, the weekly candle closed bearish with a strong gap with the dynamic 20-week EMA. In the daily chart, the 1840 level is a crucial price, which is the 50% Fibonacci retracement level for the long-term uptrend, which could be a key reversal point. Based on the weekly market outlook, a bullish daily candle above the 1840 level could indicate a market reversal, targeting the 1890 resistance level. On the bearish side, the near-term support level is at the 1815.00 area, which could be the primary barrier before reaching the 1800 support level.